can I get my hands on a 2023 Chevrolet Bolt electric vehicle? It is anticipated that the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV would first enter the market in late summer/early fall of 2022. Manufacturing will not resume until late July 2022, said GM Authority. It may be purchased at Chevrolet dealerships in the US and in other countries. The Chevrolet Bolt EUV and the Bolt EUV are both produced in the GM Orion factory in Lake Orion, Michigan. Can you tell me how much the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV will set you back? As was previously established, the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV is the most affordably priced electric car in the United States, having dropped in price by about $4,000 from its 2022 predecessor. The base model 2023 Bolt EUV costs $25,600, while the second lieutenant model starts at $28,800. Each trim level saves you $5,900 compared to what you'd pay for a Bolt EUV in 2022. Electric motor power, acceleration, fuel efficiency, driving range, and recharge times for the 2023 Bolt EUV. Pale Blue A Chevrolet Bolt EUV from the year 2023, with release and pricing information shown on the windshield. Chevrolet Bolt EUV, 2023. The sole electric motor in the 2023 Bolt EUV produces 200 horsepower and 266 pounds-to-foot of torque. Every Bolt EUV is equipped with front-wheel drive. The Bolt EUV does not have all-wheel drive like the Bolt EUV. It can reach 60 miles per hour from a standstill in 6.5 seconds. The Bolt EUV is efficient in that it can get up to 120 combined in fuel economy. The Bolt EUV can supposedly be driven for 259 miles after a full charge. In addition, the electric hatchback boasts fast charging capabilities, allowing for an additional 100 miles of range in only 30 minutes. Exactly what advancements did they make for the 2023 Bolt EUV? Chevrolet Bolt EV's dashboard and front seats in 2023, with release date and price highlighted. A new electric vehicle from Chevrolet is coming in 2023. Minor adjustments have been made for the 2023 model year on the Chevrolet Bolt EUV, outside the price drop. A new exterior paint color called Radiant Red tint coat is included. The 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV has additional optional equipment, including a charging port light in front and rear floor liners. The Chevrolet Bolt EUV faces stiff competition from a number of other electric vehicles. The Chevrolet Bolt EUV faces competition from the Tesla Model 3, the Polestar 2, the Nissan Leaf, the Mini Cooper Electric, the Kia EV6, and the BMW i3, among others. There are two different types of warranties available for the 2023 Bolt EUV, a standard warranty that lasts for 3 years and 36,000 miles, and a powertrain warranty that lasts for 8 years and 100,000 miles. Buyers who are on the fence about purchasing an electric vehicle in the wake of the recent fires may be swayed by the substantial price cut for the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
When can I get my hands on a 2023 Chevrolet Bolt electric vehicle? It is anticipated that the 2023 Chevrolet Bolt EUV would first enter the market in late summer/early fall of 2022.